Where is BNB going? Good day, guys. And today I'll be talking about what I see on the BNB chart. I've been following the BNB movement for the past 2 days. Price has been ranging, so I think I started around this area and I had my high here and the buyers here. So all of a sudden, I had an indication that price wants to be bullish, but with the ICC strategy, I don't just trade an indication. I have to wait for a correction below the level and a continuation before I'm sure of a long. So after the retracement, price never got to this point where it sold from. So that indication didn't work out as an indication for a bullish movement. So I was still in a no trade zone here because we still have some buyers here. And now we have an indication for a bullish momentum since price broke below this recent support level here and bounced back at this region, which is 619. So there are buyers here. So I'm waiting for a correction. So the correction has started. I will enter a short once price continues below this level where it broke this support here. Otherwise, I'll still be waiting to see what happens on the chart. So if price breaks below 618.5, I'll be opening a short to target the 604 region. Otherwise, I'll stay put. So that's it about that for today. If you have any observations, corrections, or suggestions, let me know and I'll be happy to hear them. So thank you for watching this video and I would love to know what you are seeing on the BNB chat.